Good morning guys. Today I'm going to be doing a day in the life. My name is Karen if you're new to my channel. I am a stay-at-home mom with my toddler Ava. She is 2.5. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. I kind of have half a plan today. Usually on these days in the lives I don't really have a plan. So the first thing obviously is breakfast. It is now 8:20 in the morning. Ava just got her porridge. Robert makes it before he goes to work, and then I give it to her. I need to get my breakfast, so I'm not quite sure what's there for breakfast, but I'll wrangle up something. I need to get a shower, and then I'm dropping Ava to her granny's house because I do need to attend a funeral today, and that's at 11. So yeah, that's kind of half the day. So after that I'll pick up Ava, and then we'll come back. She'll probably nap, and then I don't know after that, who knows. So yeah, I have a funeral today. Like my great uncle, I think that's what you would call him, passed away during the week. So I need to go to that, and I don't want to bring Ava because, you know, she'll cry and be loud. So yeah, that's my plan for today. One of the first things I do every single morning, well, I make Ava her breakfast, but then it's usually do the dishes. There's like breakfast dishes, and then myself and Robert, after I do my evening cleaning routine, I end up we end up making tea for ourselves. So there's always 2 cups, and the rest of it is just kind of stuff that Robert used to make his lunches, and then the pot and Robert's plate from using for his porridge. So this is always the first thing that I do in the morning, because I like to kind of have it clear. My counter currently looks like this. If you remember, a couple of weeks ago I did that and I had it all clear. So every morning I try to just get it back as clear as possible before I make my own breakfast. It just makes me feel a little bit better, more in control. it is 10 o'clock and myself and Ava are dressed. So I, as you can see, have wet hair. But I am going to just drop Ava off at her granny's house, and then I'm gonna go to that funeral. I think I'll get Ava back before her nap. So yeah, so then we have to go down to my mother's house today as well because it's her birthday. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Hopefully my hair will dry pretty soon. My hair used to be extremely curly, as curly as Ava's, before I got pregnant. Actually before I got PCOS, and when I got PCOS, my hair started to thin out and the curls kind of dropped, so it kind of went a little bit wavy. It was pretty wavy, and then when I got pregnant and when I birthed Ava, my curls went. So anyways, we gotta go, or else I won't make it on time. So I'm back from the funeral. Ava's back too. So I mentioned to you that she fell. You can see this is what's left. You gonna show everybody? No. She also got her hair cut yesterday. Didn't you get your hair cut? Did you get your hair cut? Say yes. Yeah, she got her hair cut for the third time. The third time ever we got your hair cut, didn't we? You did really good. So yeah, she got her haircut yesterday for the third time. And then yeah, so she fell last week, and you can go onto my Facebook or Instagram and you can see the picture of what it looked like when it was split open. We had to get it glued in the hospital. They treated her for as a head injury as well, so we were there for a good few hours. But she's gonna go for a nap now. She was down in her granny's, she had some lunch, she played outside. She's gonna go for a nap now, aren't you? Go for a nap?
No.
No? You not sleepies?
Yeah.
You are sleepies.
No.
No.
Yeah.
You too dirty. So I'm trying to limit her, suit her to when she's asleep, when she's going for a sleep. So I need to make myself some food. I am really hungry, so who knows what I'm gonna make. It's messy in here, I have to clean up. Really don't want to do that. I just want to go to sleep. Like, it's one of those things, like, you know, after you go to a funeral, you're just kind of like emotionally drained. One of those situations. So yeah, I'm gonna put her down for a nap. I love tea. It's nothing better than a cup of tea. So Ava's gone down for a nap. I just put her in. I am going to oh, close up on my mouth there. I am going to put on my lunch now. I tidied away a little bit, but not much, to be honest. So yes, what I do want to say is I am going to be doing a Q&A over on the community tab of my YouTube channel page. I posted a question, and I think there's like 7 or 8 questions there, but I just want to give you guys the chance today to ask any questions that you want to ask, and if you do have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and I will definitely try to put them in the Q&A that's going to come out next week. I had planned to do it this week, but I just haven't. Last week threw me off, so now I'm recording this week the videos that I should have recorded last week, so I need to catch up on myself. So tomorrow my mom is going to take Ava for the couple of hours after lunch, I think, and then on Friday I'll be able to catch up as well, because Ava will be going to Robert's mother, so I'll have time to kind of catch back up on myself, because it's just so much handier for me to have my videos done a week in advance, you know. And I also need to write some blog posts, because I haven't uploaded a blog post since the 19th, and that was how to set up a Christmas budget in September. So it's just kind of like a guide that I hope would help you set up your Christmas budget and realize how much that you're actually going to be spending at Christmas, in the aid that it helps you from going into debt and putting stuff on your credit cards or taking out a loan or something like that. So I'll have that blog post linked below if you're interested. So tea time, and then I have the oven on because I'm just gonna like bake myself something really quick. Yes. Will I do a grocery haul next week? Are you interested in seeing a grocery haul? Or if you have any ideas for the month of October, what you want to see, let me know. I haven't finalized my October calendar for YouTube, and I do obviously 3 videos, so let me know if you have any suggestions on what you want me to do. But I am going to go food shopping tomorrow, so I will be able to do a grocery haul and a meal plan if you're interested in that. Yeah. Hey guys, so I am ending the video here. I did plan to do a whole day in the life, but after Ava woke up from her nap, we did go with my mom and my sister, and we went and visited a couple of places, and I didn't get home until nearly 6, and then it was just dinner and bedtime after that, so I hadn't recorded anything. So I hope that you don't mind that I ended it here, but I would love if you subscribe to my channel. I put out videos 3 days a week, and also if you give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. And that's it. I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.